A question that I'm often asked is, why doesn't my online profile reflect my real life credibility, authority, and success? Now, the main reason that it doesn't reflect your real life credibility is that you haven't told people. You haven't packaged up your knowledge, your IP, your accolades, and you haven't published them in places online where it's logical for people to find them. Now, if you just do the basics of setting up your relevant social media profiles, setting up a blog or a website where you can actually house some of your thought leadership, some of your accolades, and some of your case studies, and then as well as that, probably the third pillar aside from the social media profiles in your website is to have some sort of regular communication. Now, email is by far the easiest and in my opinion the best. So just having a regular email newsletter where you can communicate some of those things or all of those things to people in your network. Now, every single newsletter that I've come across started with 0 subscribers and it grows. So if you're thinking, well, I don't have an email list to write to, my advice to you would be just start with 1 subscriber, aim to get 2 subscribers, and grow from there. And if you follow those tips, eventually your real life credibility and success will be reflected in your own digital footprint. Cheers.